Hello everyone, today we are going to start with chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angle, practice set number 21 we are going to complete in today's video. So let's start with the first question. Angle ACD, AC and D, this is supposed to be the exterior angle, okay, is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Now first you all have to understand what is exterior angle that is outside the given triangle. Okay, so this is the angle which is exterior of ABC. मतलब ABC का exterior है ACD. Okay, so this you all have to remember. The measure of angle A and angle B are equal. So these both measures are equal. If measure of angle ACD is 140, then what is the measure of A and B? Okay, so what we can do is interior of the property of interior angle we can use over here so that we will get both the angles. Okay, so let's start. What is the solution? Let measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to x degree. So what we have done? We have taken this as x degree, this also x degree. Okay, because both are same, that is why we are taking it x. Okay, now which property we have to use? By property of remote interior angle. Okay, so this property we are using in which measure of angle ACD, matlab ACD, this angle is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. What does this mean? This means when we are placing this property by property of remote interior angle, this is the formula. You all can say this is a formula or a property also. That means this angle ACD is equal to angle A plus B. मतलब इन दोनों को प्लस किया तो ये वाला एंगल मिलने वाला है. That means remote interior angle. Okay, so we are having ACD as 140. Okay, A we have taken x degree, B also we have taken x degree. So this is going to be 140 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to 140 upon 2. Just a minute. Okay. So, 2x, 140, x we will keep it over here because multiplication is there. Okay. So, x we can keep it over here. Multiplication when moves to the other side of is equal to, it is going to change to division. So, 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 0 as it is. Therefore, x हमें मिल जाता है 70. Okay, so x is equal to 70. Now, that means measure of angle A is equal to x degree. X degree मतलब हमें कितना मिला 70. Same measure of angle B is also x degree, which is 70 degree. Okay, so we have got our answer. Isn't it easy? So this is the easiest way to find the angles. Okay, now let's move on to the next question, which is using the measures of the angles given in the figure. Find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. तो 3 दिए हुए हैं, 3 we have to find. Alright, we have been given 3 angles, 3 we need to find it. So over here, straight angle, vertically opposite angle we have to use. Straight angle मतलब ये वाला angle. Okay, so straight वाला angle we have to use, and vertically opposite मतलब this. If this is 8y, this is also going to be 8y. This is 6y, मतलब this is also 6y. 4y, मतलब this is also 4y. Okay, so this you all have to understand. Therefore, measure of angle BOC. BOC ये कितना हो जाएगा? Is equal to measure of angle FOE, which is 4y degree. Okay, अभी मैंने बताया that these are vertically opposite angles. So means BOC FOE. If this is 4y, how much is this going to be? This is also going to be 4y. Alright, so reason, because it is vertically opposite angle. Okay, so ये हो गया first. Next, measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC plus measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOD. Okay, now I will explain you this. See, AOB मतलब this angle, BOC and then COD. तो ये क्या हो गया? We are having all the sides, isn't it? हर एक एंगल है, not side. We are having all the sides of the straight angle. Okay, so these are measure of angle AOD. AOD is supposed to be how much? 180 degree. See, if this is straight angle, तो straight angle कितने का होता है? We all have learned this in the previous video also. It is supposed to be 180 degree. Okay, so हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है measure of a straight angle. Okay, linear pair हम यहाँ पे नहीं बोलेंगे children. Why we are not going to say linear pair? Because there are too many angles, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 3 angles are there. So they are not linear pair. We have to show them as the straight angle. Okay, so therefore measure of angle AOB is supposed to be 8y plus measure of angle BOC is 4y plus measure of angle COD is 6y and ये हमें कितना मिला? 180 degree, isn't it? We have written this over here. So सारे के सारे values we have added. Now after adding the values, substituting the values, हमें plus करना है all these. 8 plus 4 plus 6 is supposed to be 18. Y is equal to 180. Now over here multiplication sign is there. So many of you all are getting mixed over here, children. Multiplication sign is there. Therefore when it changes its side, y will remain over here. 180 जैसा था वैसा and multiplication will change to division. So 18 ones are 18 ones are 0. Now we are having y as 10. Not degree, we will write only 10. Y we have got 10. Now 4y मतलब कितना हुआ? 4y degree means 4 into 10. Y की value कितना होता है? 10. So it is 40 degree. Next is 6y is how much? 6 into 10 degree. That means 60 degree. Next is 8y degree. So 8 into 10 is supposed to be 80 degree. Okay, so we have got all the measures. See, all the measures we have got for the given angles. 40, then 6y means 60, 8y means 80. Okay, so अब angles लिख लेंगे. Measure of angle AOB is supposed to be measure of angle DOE, which is 80 degree. See, AOB 8y मतलब this also 8y means this is also 80 degree. ये 80 degree मिल गया. Okay, this was 4y means 40 degree, तो 40 degree 40 degree. Okay, so this was 60 degree. This and this is vertically opposite, therefore this is also 60 degree. तो सारे angles मिल गए. Now we will write it down. Measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE, which is 40 degree. And the last one was measure of angle COD is equal to measure of angle AOF, which is supposed to be kitna? 60 degree. Okay, so we have got all the angles and you all have to just write it down then. The last question is the measure of angle A and angle B of an isosceles triangle ABC are equal. मतलब this and this angle is equal. ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. So in the previous question also we have seen ACD is the exterior angle of AB and C triangle. The measure of angle ACB, this angle, okay, this angle is, and ACD is supposed to be 3x minus 17 and 8x minus 10. So this diagram has been given in the textbook, children. So respectively find the measures of angle ACB and angle ACD. So we have to find the measures. Actual measurements kitna hai, actual degrees kitna hai, we have to find it over here. Okay, so now over here we can take a linear pair. Now in previous question I said na, इसमें हम लोग linear pair नहीं find कर पा रहे थे because there were too many angles. Over here only two angles are there, so we can take a linear pair. So measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Excuse me. Angles forming a linear pair. Alright, so this we have got it. As I said, we can form a linear pair because only two angles are there, therefore it is a linear pair. And in second question, what we have taken? Straight angle. Okay, it got the difference. Now, after this angle we are having as 3x minus 17 plus this angle we are having as 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take the like terms. So 3x plus 8x is going to be 11x, minus 17 plus 10 is going to be minus 7, and 180 as it is. Okay, so after this step, therefore 11x is equal to 180 minus का हो जाएगा plus, this minus 7 will change its side and change it to plus 7. So therefore 11x is equal to 187. Therefore x is equal to 187 upon 11. Okay, so 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Bache 7 up 77. So 11 sevens are 77. So therefore x is equal to 17. If you all are not able to do it in this way, solve it in this way also children. 11 ones are 11. Bacha 7 and 7. तो हो जाएगा 11 sevens are 77. So x हमें मिल गया 17. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute x का value over here in both the equation. So ये हो जाएगा 3x. First we will write the measure of angle ACB. कितना था ACB का? 3x minus 17 degree. Okay, so that means 3 into 17 minus 17. Okay, तो multiply and then subtract. तो multiply करके 17 threes are multiply it and then minus it with 17. The answer is going to be 34 degree. तो हमें ये एंगल मिल जाता है 34 degree. Next is measure of angle ACD, which is supposed to be 8x plus 10 degree. So which is supposed to be 8 into 17 plus 10. So first multiply 8 17 8 जा कितना होता है उतना फाइंड कर लो. 17 8 जा plus 10 is going to be 146 degree. Okay, that means we have got this angle as 146 degree. 34 and 146. Okay, so both the angles we have got, ye wala and this we have got it. Now measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. ये कहाँ से आ गया? From exterior, property of exterior angle of a triangle. Alright, so after this what we have to do? A, whatever the measure we have got, or A plus B is going to be the same. Therefore measure of angle A plus measure of angle B, इसका कितना मिल गया? This was 146. 146 है ना. ACD, this was ACD का measure. Write it down if you all are getting confused. This also measure of angle ACB. Underline कर लो so that it doesn't get mixed up. Okay, so we need to use ACD, exterior angle property के हिसाब से ACD is supposed to be 146 degree. Okay, now this is supposed to be, both are equal है ना. Therefore measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B, that is 146 upon 2. Both are equal इसीलिए 2. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So therefore A and B कितना होगा? Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is supposed to be 73 degree. अब सब angles जितने भी find कर लिए हैं, write it down. Measure of angle ACB. Over here we have found ACB is supposed to be 34 degree. Measure of angle ACD is supposed to be 146 degree. Measure of angle A is supposed to be 73 degree. And measure of angle B is supposed to be 73 degrees. So over here your exercise is over, children. Hope you all have understood it. If there are any queries, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.